Hey guys, I wanted to jump on here and just say what an amazing man Dan is. This guy, he puts himself out there and gives so much value. It is incredible. I found him in a group on Facebook, and I was struggling with some computer things and software things, and he's always ready, willing, and able to jump in and give you advice. He'll jump on a Zoom call with you. He'll share his screen and show you exactly what's happening and why things aren't working the way you think they should be working. He has been an incredible resource for many problems that I have encountered in my young entrepreneurial journey. He's obviously been around the industry for a very long time, and I just cannot say how much value he brings to all of the groups that he is in on Facebook. And if you have not had a chance to work with him, man, I'm sorry, you need to. He's an incredible asset, and you are very lucky to have found him. So I just wanted to jump out here and say that and give him a shout out. Thank you, Dan, for everything you have done for me in my learning curve. I know sometimes it's a little silly questions, but you know, that's how you learn, right? So thank you, Dan. And again, I would recommend Dan for any needs that you have if you're struggling with your business online. So there you go.